In page number 57, question number 2, guess the category to which these items should belong. Draw the items in the corresponding boxes. Question number A is weight of your maths books. Weight of your maths book, that will be less than 1 kg. So here we write A, weight of maths book. Weight of maths book. Question number B is weight of your teacher's table, that will be more than 1 kg. So we'll write in this box. This box is for more than 1 kg, so we'll write weight of teacher's table. Weight of teacher's table. Question number C, weight of sugar bag, that is more than 1 kg. So here we'll write C, weight of sugar box, weight will be more than 1 kg. So I wrote in this box. Question number D is weight of pencil box, that will be less than 1 kg. So we'll write here D, weight of pencil box. Question number E, weight of your television, that is more than 1 kg. So we'll write here weight of television. Question number F, weight of a mobile phone, that will be less than 1 kg. So we'll write here question number F, weight of mobile phone. Page number 58, question number 1, add or subtract the following. Question number A, 1A. Two columns are there, kg and gram. In kg, 1 kg, in gram 780 gram. 1 kg 780 gram, 3 kg 649 gram. We are asked to add this. So 0 plus 9, 9, 8 plus 4, 12, 2 of 12 here, carry 1, that one will come here. 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 4 of 14 here, carry 1, that one will come here. Now 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5. So this became 5 kg 429 gram. Question number C, 6 kg 625 gram and 3 kg 175 gram. So 5 plus 5, 10, 0 of 10 will come here, carry 1, that one will come here. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 7, 10. 0 of 10 will come here, 1 will come here. Now 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 6 plus 3, 9. So this addition became 9 kg 800 gram. Now question number D, 5 kg 750 gram minus 2 kg 385 gram. 10 minus 5, 5. Here 4, 4 is less than 8, not possible to subtract, so we'll take 1 from here. So it became 6 and here 1 will come, that became 14. 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8, 6 and 6 minus 3, 3. 5 minus 2, 3. So this subtraction became 3 kg 365 gram. Question number E, 8 kg 200 gram minus 3 kg 750 gram. So 0 minus 0, 0. This 0 minus 5 is not possible. We'll make it 10. Taking 1 from here, it became 10, but here only 1 is left. 10 minus 5, 5. This one is smaller than 7. We can't subtract. So we'll take 1 from here. Here 1, 7 is left. Here 1 will come, become 11. 11 minus 7 4 and 7 minus 3 4. So this became 4 kg 450 gram. In page number 58, solve the following real life problems. Here in question number A, Bhumi bought 2 kg 200 gram potatoes and 3 kg 750 gram onions. What is the total weight of the vegetables bought by her? Columns are also made of kg and gram. Statement I have written, weight of potatoes equal to 2 kg 200 gram and weight of onions equal to 3 kg 750 gram. I arranged these weights according to the column. In the column 2 kg 200 gram, 3 kg 750 gram. Then I added it 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 5 5, 2 plus 7 9, and this 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So this became 5 kg 950 gram. I wrote here as answer 5 kg 950 gram. Question number B, in a box there were 8 kg 300 gram of apples, of which 3 kg 850 gram were sold. What was the weight of the apples left in the box? Apples in a box equal to 8 kg 300 gram. Apples sold 3 kg 850 gram. I arrange this in the column of kg and gram, 8 kg 300 gram and 3 kg 850 gram. Then I subtracted to get the apples left in the box. 0 minus 0 0, but this 0 minus 5 is not possible to subtract because 0 is smaller than 5. So we'll carry 1 from this 3, so it became 10. Here only 2 is left. 10 minus 5 5. Again 2 is smaller than 8, not possible to subtract. We'll make it greater than 8. For that we'll take 1 from this 8. It became 12, but here now 7 is left. 12 minus 8 equal to 4, 7 minus 3 equal to 4. So number of apples left in the box equal to 4 kg 450 gram. In page number 59, question number 1, fill in the blanks. 1A, 3 liter. How much milliliter? We'll change this 3 liter into milliliter. We know 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. Therefore 3 liter equal to 3 into 1000 equal to 3000 milliliter. So here we'll fill 3000. Question number C, 6 liter. How much milliliter? Again 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. 6 liter equal to 6 into 1000 equal to 6000 milliliter. So here we will fill 6000 milliliter. 4000. Now question number E, 4000 milliliter equal to how much liter? For that we'll change this 4000 milliliter into liter. We know 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. Therefore 4000 milliliter equal to 4000 by 1000 liter. This 000 cancelled, that became 4 liter. So here we will fill 4 liter. Now question number 2. In question number 2, put either greater than or smaller than sign in these boxes. First is 2A, 3000 milliliter plus 1 liter, and that side is, after box, that side is 2 liter plus 4 liter. So this portion 3000 milliliter and 1 liter will change into milliliter. So this became 3000 milliliter plus 1000 milliliter. So this became 4000 milliliter. This side became 4000 milliliter, and that side 2 liter equal to 2 into 1000 milliliter. So that became 2000 milliliter, and 4 liter, that will be 4 into 1000 milliliter equal to 4 1000 milliliter. So total became 6000 milliliter. So here you are seeing 4000 milliliter before box and after box 6000 milliliter. So 4000 milliliter is smaller than 6000 milliliter. In this box will feel is smaller than. Now question number 2b. In this question 5000 milliliter and 3000 milliliter. We'll add these two. How much milliliter? 5000 milliliter plus 3000 milliliter equal to 8000 milliliter. And after box 6 liter plus 3000 milliliter. 6 liter will be 6 into 1000 milliliter, that is equal to 6000 milliliter, and 3000 milliliter. We'll add these two, we'll get 9000 milliliter. So 8000 milliliter is smaller than 9000 milliliter. Therefore 8000 is coming from this portion before box, so this is smaller than 6 liter 3000 milliliter, that is coming as 9000 milliliter. Now question number D. In question number D, 6000 milliliter and 2 liter. So here 6000 milliliter and 2 liter will be 2 into 1000 equal to 2000 milliliter. We'll add these two, it became 8000 milliliter. And this side 5 liter, that is equal to 5 into 1000 equal to 5000 milliliter plus 2000 milliliter. This 2000 milliliter, we'll add these two, we got 7000 milliliter. So 8000 milliliter is greater than 7000 milliliter. Therefore here we'll fill this sign. In page number 60, question number 1, add or subtract the following. Question number 1a, these two columns are given, liter and milliliter. In liter there is 2 liter and in milliliter there is 350 milliliter. And again in liter there is 3 liter and in milliliter there is 860 milliliter. So we are asked to add these two columns. 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 6, 11, carry 1, that one will come here. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 2, 4 plus 8, 12, carry 1, that one will come here. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. Now 5 liter 375 milliliter and 2 liter 865 milliliter. 5, 5, 10, 0, carry 1, that one will come here. 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 6, 14, carry 1, that one will come here. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 8, 12, carry 1, one will come here. 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. So this addition became 8 liter 240 milliliter. Now question number D. In question number D, we are asked to subtract 8 liter 150 milliliter minus 2 liter 760 milliliter. 0 minus 0, 0. 15 minus 5 minus 6 is not possible because 5 is less than 6. So we'll make it greater than 6. We'll take 1 from here, it became 15. But here only 0 is left. 15 minus 6, 9. 0 minus 7 is not possible. We'll make greater than 7. For that we'll take 1 from here. Here 7 is left and here it became 10. 10 minus 7, 3. And 7 minus 2, 5. So this subtraction became 5 liter 390 milliliter. Now question number F. 6 liter 200 milliliter minus 3 liter 675 milliliter. 10. 0 minus 5 is not possible. We'll take 1 from here. But here is 0. It can't give you 1. We'll take 1 from here. Here 1 is left. Here it became 10. Now from this 10 we'll take 1 from here. So here 9 is left. It became 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. 1 minus 6 is not possible because 1 is smaller than 7. We'll take 1 from 6. It became 5 and it became 11. 11 minus 6 equal to 5 and 5 minus 3 equal to 2. So this subtraction became 2 liter 525 milliliter. In page number 60, Question number 2A. Statement is a bucket contained 6 liter 250 milliliter water. Divya added 2 liter 100 milliliter water and Shiv added 850 milliliter water in it. How much water does the bucket contain now? For that I have written the statement. Water in the bucket equal to 6 liter 250 milliliter. What is this? Divya. Sorry. Here is Divya. D-I-V-Y-A. Divya added 2 liter 100 milliliter and Shiv added 0 liter 850 milliliter. Means no liter is there. So I wrote here 0 liter and at the place of milliliter I wrote 850 milliliter. Then these two are the columns. I arranged all these. 6 liter 250 milliliter this one, 2 liter 100 milliliter this one, and 0 liter 850 milliliter this one, and I added all these. So 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 10, carry 1, that one came here, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 8, 12, carry 1, 1 came here, 1 plus 6, 7, 7, 2, 9. So this addition became 9 liter 200 milliliter. I wrote as answer 9 liter 200 milliliter. Now in question number B. A drum contained 9 liter oil, of which 4 liter 650 milliliter was sold. How much oil does the drum contain now? Statement: oil in drum equal to 9 liter 000 milliliter. Because milliliter is not there, only 9 liter is there. So at the place of milliliter I wrote 000 milliliter. Now oil sold equal to 4 liter 650 milliliter. I arrange this into these two columns, liter and milliliter. 9 liter 000 milliliter and 4 liter 650 milliliter. 0 minus 0, 0, will subtract it. For that I gave here minus sign. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 5 is not possible. Take 1 from here, but it is 0, it can't give you 1. Take 1 from here, it became 8, now it became 10. From this time take 1 from here, so it became 10, it became 9. 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 6, 3, 8 minus 4, 4. So 4 liter 350 milliliter oil is left in the drum. In page number 61, write the correct unit which can be used to measure the following. Those correct units may be meter, centimeter, gram, kilogram, liter or milliliter. In question number A, the statement is length of a matchstick. Length of the matchstick will be measured in centimeter. So here we write centimeter. Statement of question number B, quantity of water in a tub, that will be measured in liter. So we write liter. Then question number C, weight of a car, that will be measured in kilogram. Kilogram. In question number D, weight of a pencil, that will be measured in gram. Here I wrote gram. Question number E, quantity of honey in a spoon, that will be measured in milliliter. I wrote here milliliter. Question number F, length of a study table, that will be measured in meter. I wrote meter. Then question number G, length of your notebook, that will be measured in centimeter. I write here centimeter. Centimeter. Then question number H, quantity of coffee in a cup, that will be measured in milliliter. Milliliter. And question number I, quantity of milk in a big can, that will be measured in liter. Question number J, quantity of coffee. Question number H was weight of a sack of onions, that will be measured in kilogram. I write here kilogram. Then question number J, quantity of coffee in a cup, that will be measured in milliliter. Question number K, length of a bus, that will be measured in meter. And question number L, weight of a mobile phone, that will be measured in gram. I write here gram. So any solid object, that will be measured in gram or kilogram. Length of any object, solid object, that will be measured in meter, centimeter. And volume means that liquid will be measured in liter and milliliter. Again I repeat this, weight of solid object will be measured in gram and kilogram. Then length of solid object will be measured in meter and centimeter. And liquid will be measured in milliliter and liter. According to that, I have written these answers.